I believe everything I say, but you know, Vybzk Cartel might be a better artist than Michael Jackson. That'd be one thing. Obviously, Vybzk Cartel might be a better artist than Michael Jackson.
Which Vybzk Cartel are we talking about?
We're talking about Vybzk Cartel.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People who are going, you don't know Media Fox, you know. But people, I have to make you tune in to that video, yeah. Seeing, cause I did hear me listen to the video and I say, yo, I have to make the people them know what I go on. Cause I never know, say, you have these Gaza sheep out here on platform, seeing, I make them own artists thing look away, seeing, but the brother here say, Vybzk Cartel bigger than Michael Jackson. But when I go hear something, why? You understand? I want to listen if you're keen the people and hear what me say. Listen.
It might upset the masses. And you know I have some controversial takes.
Oh boy, here we go.
Now the people don't get mad at me because I generally, you know me, I believe everything I say, but you know Vybzk Cartel might be a better artist than Michael Jackson. That'd be one thing. Obviously, Vybzk Cartel might be a better artist than Michael Jackson.
Which Vybzk Cartel are we talking about?
Yo, I tell you about them Gaza sheep, you know. You have a good Gaza fans them out there. The one them have sense. You understand? The man say Vybzk Cartel a better artist than Michael Jackson. Yo, I'm telling you this. This is why. Yo, this is why I'm telling you. Though. You see these people come out here and talk them crappy up on platform. Yeah, man, it make the genre and make the artists fans base look like where them get them imagination here from. Cause you hear the other brother say, which Vybzk Cartel you talk about? You understand? But people, the man are gonna say a thing where, yo, in brain, you know, they in their head. In brain, there's somewhere else. But listen this.
Vybzk Cartel.
The one that was in concert.
Yeah.
From what standpoint are you putting this one from?
I was just, you know, I left the country and been so many unbelievable concerts.
That is true.
But Vybzk Cartel, yeah. When you go through his catalogue and the rhythms he has, when's the last time you heard anyone say, yo, rewind that Michael Jackson?
What do you mean?
Yo, man, I tell it to right thing. Alright, since the brother you talk about rewind, I don't know what I mean by what I say about rewind Vybzk Cartel. Maybe I say, yo, when them in a party and certain little things, them say pull up that. Brother, let me tell you this, cause I don't realize right now. Right now, Michael Jackson bigger than Cartel in his own country, which is Jamaica. Right now. Otherwise from the world, brother. Right now, if you go any resort, big resort, 5-star in a Jamaica right now, them have a Michael Jackson night. May I tell you something what I know when I go and experience. If I know Michael Jackson night, a reggae night, Bob Marley night, there is no night for Vybzk Cartel. Right now, check all of the resort them on the north coast, Ochi go straight back to Mobile to Negril. All of them have a Michael Jackson night. Right now, if you see one man in a thing, a dance like Michael Jackson, right now you go stop and watch. May I tell you that? You go stop and watch. Right now, if you take the two figure them, if you act like Michael Jackson and act like Vybzk Cartel, acting like Michael Jackson gonna make you more money. May I tell you that? Right now, you have man where act like Michael Jackson and I make money in a Jamaica. Look on the little ghetto Michael Jackson, I have another youth. I make money by just being a man. Nobody now make no money being Vybzk Cartel. So when you go say pull up song, bro, that is nothing, brother. Everybody song get pull up. Every artist in the Jamaica song get pull up. So if that you use, if you try build it to Michael Jackson thing, that now make no sense.
Every time you run what rock with you play it to the end and then hit the button.
Nah, you're lying. You ain't heard anyone say, yeah, we will pull up.
People, you know what is the thing is? With some of these Gaza fans, right? Them you see when it not suit Vybzk Cartel, you know what them do? Them change narrative for suit him. But look, listen to the video.
Look like that Michael Jackson.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Like, you know, I'm the biggest MJ. I'm the hugest MJ. But I was like, bro, I think Vybzk Cartel can make Smooth Criminal before Michael Jackson can make.
Nah.
People, hear what man say a while ago? People, you know this disgrace on a platform is? The man say Michael Jackson, Vybzk Cartel can make him be a more criminal more than Michael Jackson. Which it may be right. But is that a good thing? How can you go up on a platform and say a man would make you be a criminal? Yo, may I tell you about them guys? Yo, Jano.
Vybzk Cartel can't make a song if it's about a woman or killing someone.
Well, Michael Jackson's songs is really about the same thing, really, but he literally says it in a more, you know, politically correct way.
Less vulgar way.
Yeah, he says it in a more politically correct way.
You can't be saying no.
No, but you're not deep in it. Like, and you know, people were kind of grilling the Vybzk Cartel concept, right? They saying it was whereas all the dancers, like, well, you don't understand, like, this is dancehall. You know what I mean? Like, he just has to spin track back to back to back to back.
Yo, Jano. So the man I said through Michael Jackson, I always have him dance at them on the stage and everything, and Vybzk Cartel not have. Brother, a lot of dancehall artists out there with them on platform and stage have girls that dance with them. You talk about songs back to back and all of these something. Them things they not make no sense, brother. When you're going to the UK show, them the people been same nana dancers. You understand? Them same nana dancer. So what you try say? You understand? But listen what them must say people.
No, that's what he has to do.
And you know something, he don't need dancers. All I want Vybzk Cartel to do is stand on the stage and start spinning track. They were like, people, and you know what? It was your people. Because obviously they have Burna Boy and they love Burna, and they have all the dancers and every production.
My
and
people.
And Regan. Your people and Regan. You know what I mean? Regan was like, I was like, Regan, like, you don't get it. I just needed to stand there and spin tracks.
Hold on. How are you saying my people? Like, say, I didn't see Caribbeans there. And, sorry, your people, Jamaicans, because I'm from Grenada as well, if you forgot.
Yeah. I know. Yeah, very much. Yeah.
You Jamaicans were complaining as well.
You see it? You see what I talk about? The man rather been there, so you understand, kind of talk about perform and all of these things. And I talk about tracks and the people them been say, yo, them with the dancer, them with all these people, the man a shout out, the man voice rough, all of them look at something here. You understand? The man them always a try move the goalpost just for suit Cartel and I understand. Say, brother, I uno make a things a look bad for the artist, you know. I don't know, realize, cause people out there see it. You understand?
I don't know one proper Jamaican like myself, because, you know, I'm going to go play with Jamaican. Yeah, I ain't seen one thing myself. Grill, like, concert. All I've seen is, on my TikTok, is the Vybzk concert. I've been singing lyrics back to back. And you're like, this man been got played 10 years, he's ill, but he really might be, if he was I think he beats everyone in the verses.
Nah.
No one could chat to him.
Yeah, they could. But
Who beat Vybzk Cartel in the verses?
What genre are you going now?
He can play against anyone. Bring Elvis if you want. I don't give a shit.
I don't want to bring Elvis.
bring whoever you want.
No, because if you go MJ versus Vybzk Cartel, he's losing.
No, he's not.
He is.
He isn't.
Brother. Yo, but tell about them boy. Yo, some of the guys over there fool it up. I tell you, know. Brother, Michael Jackson, all Michael Jackson. Yo, it's like them forgot. You forgot say Vybzk Cartel want to be like Michael Jackson. When him sing say cake so white, Michael Jackson. It's like them forgot, you know. Right now, if where they call it, if Vybzk Cartel and Michael Jackson, all Michael Jackson are gonna say he and Cartel dead. May I tell you that? Cartel dead. it's like, we don't forget, brother. We don't know how this compares, but we have to really listen to what them people here say, cause if other people are watch them and taking them nonsense, yeah, John know, we don't know what going to happen.
This why are we even having this discussion?
Let's go. Go on. We'll go 10 for 10.
Oh God, okay. Let me just start with Rock with You. I'm gonna give you Michael Jackson's just basic songs. Rock.
Okay, Rock with You, I'll give you. Okay. But I'm gonna hit you with a, because you're gonna get people moving more. If I start is with Clarks.
Clarks is gonna get people moving more to Rock with You.
Yeah.
Yo, this a man a fool, you frig. The man say Clarks, I gotta get people moving. People. You listen to them. I don't know. Sometimes I wonder when them some of them Gaza people, because you have a good one them, you know. But some of them Gaza people, when them talk, you wonder if them they sit down at the back of the class, are them depend some drinking or something. Brother, let me tell you this. Right now, Beat It alone slap a whole of Cartel catalog, bro. Beat It alone. You understand? You can't even compare Clarks with one of Michael Jackson's song, bro. Beat It alone. That the everywhere in the world right now, you have people a dance like Michael Jackson. Right now, brother. You understand? Clarks nah no dancing. Clarks you just put out your foot. Clarks nah no dancing, brother. None of that. You understand? But my feel say that brother ain't drunk, you know. But we're gonna listen what they must say. Cause the other brother have more sense than him.
You got where are we playing this music? This is a scam.
Spanish Town. Spanish Town, Jamaica. No, let's go to a mutual venue. We'll go Brixton Hall.
Brixton Hall. You said mutual. Okay, that's fine. Because Brixton right now is very, very gentrified.
Hack the Empire.
Man is trying to play the crowd in his favor. Michael Jackson's winning all ends up.
He isn't.
You know what? I won't even go there. I'll go Bob Marley versus Vybzk Cartel.
People, I don't know where his brain is, but me tell you where I fool him. Vybzk Cartel I do some arena right now. See? Right now, if Michael Jackson did living right now, I don't think they would have a stadium or what for even hold Michael Jackson crowd where I go pull. Me I tell you that. Right now, if you have 2 stadium right now, where hold 100,000 people each, and Michael Jackson in the air, trust me, they must sold out. Right now. There's no comparison with Cartel and Michael Jackson. Way far, brother, way far. You understand? So I guess them people don't really understand what I go on. As me say, right now in a Jamaica, Michael Jackson thing way up there, brother. Way up there right now. Cartel might have a lot of songs, but it still not add up to one of Michael Jackson song them. May I tell you that? You understand? But listen to what them I say.
Cartel wins.
No, he doesn't.
He does.
No, he doesn't.
He does. He does.
There's no chance in
You're
hell.
trying to get the white people on your side.
I'm not even trying to get the white people on my side.
You are.
Bob Marley brings in a bigger crowd than Vybzk Cartel does.
It's because he's more globally known.
Yeah, but what are you trying to do here?
Yo, it's what me I try to tell you with these Gaza people some of my time. Me not talk every one of them, but them love anything when it comes to Vybzk Cartel. Them always a move the goalpost. Them always a do it.
We're talking neutral ground. Yeah.
Neutral ground.
Neutral
song
ground.
for song. Just play the song.
London.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the age range of the concert?
From 65 to 12.
Then 12 to 65. Yeah, you lose.
You don't.
You lose on a Bob Marley versus
I don't think you do.
And you definitely lose on a Michael Jackson.
I don't.
Yo, that brother. Yo, I'm telling you, no no sense, you know. On a really no sense, bro. Bro, right? You see Bob Marley and Michael Jackson right now get the most play like by far. Otherwise, like from Cartel thing, bro. Cartel can't. But tell you already, you know, una use this social media repost and hype thing for try to measure up to these great artists. Cartel a great artist yet, but you can't push him up to them level of money. You understand? Can't I use hype? A hype when I use right now. See? And him a full 1 and 2 arena them. Where remember say the man go prison. Prison him go. So it gain a high demand. You understand? Them man have been doing it. Michael Jackson, yo, Jano. Brother, some place Michael Jackson full out. Cartel don't even count. Him not even pass 20k a day. You understand? Him do the local stadium on a Jamaica and him still never full it. Him never full it. And them give you a bag of ticket and all of these things. You understand? But right now, Bob Marley impact way bigger than Cartel. Both locally and internationally. You see what I try to say? Right now, everybody can listen to Bob Marley music right now. Have a vibes and everything. And then have to worry about no type of words or whatsoever right now. You see what I try to say? In every resort, every hotel Bob Marley I play. More than Cartel. You see what I try to say? They might have night for represent Bob Marley. If anybody can tell you who are listen to me right now, can tell us if them go any resort in a Jamaica, you have Michael Jackson or you have Bob Marley night. For sure. You don't have no Vybzk Cartel night. So you sure say, yo, them too many thing impactful. You understand? That is it.
I genuinely think you did. I'm looking at it like begging. Yeah, virginity is getting 7 money pull-ups at least. At least.
I don't even play butterflies. I'll play butterflies with that. I don't even need to play a big track like Michael Jackson.
People, a man say when Vybzk Cartel virginity, I get money pull up. Virginity, when Vybzk Cartel sing, I get money pull up 7 times. What kind of madness that? Eh? What kind of madness that?
He goes, and then when he remixes "Pure Love Me Give Y'all" to Street Vibes, yeah, that one there, and he goes, yeah, bro, Now Let Go. This was a Brooklyn anthem.
Off the Wall.
Yeah, listen, Last Man Standing.
Bad.
Yeah. Last Man Standing is gonna have the whole place going mad. Swear to Jar.
Well.
Swear to Jar. Yeah. Yeah, listen.
Burn it.
Baby, translator.
Yo, I don't know any people, but that brother, yeah, him head a go, you know. Yeah, man, him head a go, because him just attack a one bag of thing. You understand? Just now getting away. Him just a pull up some song where him feel say, would I get some money pull up or whatever over them, man, yeah. Brother, I'm sick in an head, dog.
Vibes.
Bro, I could give you Michael Jackson's catalog versus Vybzk Cartel's catalog. Come on now, Reese.
Nah, let's go to a party. There's one of our parties and see who gets more money pull up.
See, that's ridiculous though.
You see it? Moving the goalpost again. Moving the goalpost again. You know, it make no sense, brother.
See, you're being silly now.
Oh.
You're being silly now because just
I can only
change the setting.
I can only tell you from my listen. Vybzk Cartel was locked up for 12 years. Yeah, he never had the global. He never had the. I feel like
People, listen what I'm going to say. Him say Vybzk Cartel lock up for 12 years. See? Hear what him say?
the government, CIA, stopped Vybzk Cartel from blowing up.
Vybzk Cartel stopped himself from blowing up.
CIA.
People, them people, wait, no. Yo, we are telling the right thing. Bro, the man says CIA stop Vybzk Cartel from blowing up. Where them get them information from? CIA? So wait, CIA they are Jamaica? The man says CIA. Brother, we want to get this information. Yo, you know, some feel like these people is hearing something. I don't know, like, they might hear these things from people because I can't Jamaica them live. CIA? What the right? Bro, I don't know what tell a brother or something, but does that make him look like a fool right now?
By doing the blowing up himself. That's how he stopped himself, yeah?
We're going to blame the CIA.
Vybzk Cartel did his big one himself. That's why. Look, he's out and he's free and he's doing his thing. But Vybzk Cartel don't match up to a lot of men. Even like, if Vybzk Cartel can't touch some of the... In dancehall, yeah, but the reggae scene, I don't think he comes close.
He is. He's the greatest.
He's not the greatest artist to come out of Jamaica.
He is.
No, he's not.
You see, this is what I try to tell you. You see, that's what I'm telling you, you know. You see how the industry set up people? Them highlight Vybz Cartel and make some of these people outside feel like God Vybz Cartel is the greatest from out of Jamaica. You understand? While you have Sean Paul and Shaggy, where the way bigger than him. But because the industry don't highlight Sean Paul and Shaggy, this is why a lot of people were out there where them say yo them are endorse Vybz Cartel. In their mind them assume say he is the greatest. You understand? And fool him, but when you check it, because when them a say no, I fool them. But in down into the next year or two, them are gonna realize what go on, because they must see a bag of shows now where never did I do. So they must say, alright, Ray, and them a highlight that. So them feel say, yo, him are the greatest. But I guess them will realize soon.
Oh, he's top three. He's top three.
Listen, we all love Bob Marley, yeah. But when it comes down to it, man, Vybz is.
Do you the Vybz Cartel songs stand the test of time? Like Bob's and Beres Hammond's
Forever.
Do you think they stand?
Yeah, because he made a new. He basically, it's like reggae is Bob Marley.
Yes.
For example, dancehall is never gonna go.
No, of course not.
And dancehall will forever be Vybz Cartel.
Yeah, but there's still like you have the Mavados.
Yeah, but it's always Vybz Cartel.
You see it? These are the things I'm going to talk about. This is why, you see, a lot of people with these people watching now, seeing them paint the narrative, put dancehall alone upon Vybz Cartel. You understand? Which Vybz Cartel numbers is not showing to that effect. Vybz Cartel dropping albums. It nah get no sales, nothing we are going. You understand? Because what the industry paint the narrative. That's why these people can come on a platform and talk nonsense. Which you have other artists out there. Because them a try put dancehall in a one man thing. You understand? Which that now make no sense. You see it? Because the social media. Remember him just saying all him say a Vybz Cartel show up on TikTok. Pan TikTok. So you know the whole of that put some misunderstanding in a them people their head and make them assume say yo are this, but don't know the history and know reality. You understand? Say other artists out there do it bigger, but them just now highlight these artists. Is what me I try to say. But look you now, you see down the line when all of the hype and everything gone, then them will realize, because a lot of things are going on with Cartel, show them where the people them are forward out and attack bag of things and ticket and rare this, but look here, them not highlight that. So a TikTok him a watching now. You understand? But the brother we are interview him know the reality. You understand? Because look at him now no sheep brain. Him understand the thing. You see me? But you see what I say?
No, I understand that, but like, what's a bigger genre? Remember, dancehall's limited to where it can go. It's everywhere, but it's limited to where it can go.
You see it? That me I try to show you people a lot. You see? Remember man say Cartel would make him be a more criminal than yo Jano to right thing. Me I tell you now. Yo, them people lose it. We're not gonna say Vybz Cartel is not a great artist, but some of these topics we wanna really put up, it just now make no sense. You understand? No sense. If you say Vybz Cartel bigger than Michael Jackson, or bro, yo, I know me I tell the people. Yo, me I tell you see all of this hype and this reposting and everything, everything soon fade away, It's like we don't realize what go on. You understand? But people, we just want to listen and hear what a brother here saying. But imagine him, I come out and I say this, and a lot of people listening and hear and some maybe believe and all of these things and get mislead and all of them something, and when reality hit now, they must say shit, it never be real for real. But well, I don't have nothing, you understand, but I don't know any people. I mean the facts, yeah man, that is it.